how to share someone's Instagram story to your story. So if you want to share someone's Instagram story to your story, then first make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device and make sure that you're logged into your Instagram account. Now you need to go with the DM section, which will be on the top right, and from the DM, now you need to open up the DM where someone has mentioned you in their story. So whenever you're mentioned in someone else's story, you will be notified in the DM section or your notification section. So what you need to do is just simply go with your DMs and then tap on the message. And once you're here, as you can see that it says add to your story, this person has mentioned you in their story. So you need to just simply tap on add to your story, which will be here on the bottom, and adjust it however you like. After that, just go with your story, which will be on the bottom, and add it to your story. Tap on share, which will be on the bottom, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to share someone's Instagram story to your story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.